So YouTube, it's greatast1996 and today I'm going to show you my kit in my little bag of doom. Fucking open it, Yo Jack, point what I say. Come here, put it in the bag. Okay, I've got my Mora 720, EL35 jungle survival knife, military repelling gear, a little bag with cable ties, mini multi-tool, and sharpener in it, a straw, some cutlery, some Vaseline soaked cotton balls. Where's that fire still? My BCB viable fire steel. Nice, quite a nice mark. My axe, I'm not sure what make that is because just picked up along the way. A small belt for when I'm out and just put a knife on quickly if I'm going for a little scout. A minnow trap, so if I'm near a little lake or something, I can just tie it up, throw it in. Some candles, fire lighting, keeping fires going, seeing in the dark, so on. Some char cloth in a small char cloth making tin. Some cable ties. Some army nylon. Small pair of scissors. Dryer lint, good for with the fireball. Some big roll of army nylon. Some Vaseline soaked cotton balls in that. A mini survival backy tin kit. Basically everything you need in it. Should know what a survival tin is now, and a small fishing kit. I use a bit of cork as a float and a bit of cork that looks like bait, with two weights on either side of that and a hook stuck into the side, so I can just throw that out any time. Got some plain cotton balls, some tissue, a tinder pot with sawdust, matches, dry lint in it, a BCB wire saw, NATO issue, multi-tool, purifying straw that I made myself. Just get some cigarette filters and fill them into a straw. Works pretty well. A load of heavy duty snare wire, which as you can see you can split apart into loads of smaller bits, so it works out cheaper for the money. More string. Pen knife, little Swiss Army knife, and a little lock knife. Some string, Vaseline soaked cotton balls, some Vaseline, and a little plastic cabina. My knife cleaning kit, which has got a small tin of WD-40, small thing of soap, and something else wrapped around a rag with some duct tape around it. String, more string. Yeah, I've got a lot of string here. And that's finished with the inside. And in the front, I've got a hexi stove, hexi burner, and some dryer lint and some tissue, and some paracord. Right, greatast1996, thanks for watching.